Well, it's Easter holiday and time to address the elephant in the room with some DIY. Today I took delivery of a Kallax Shelving Unit from IKEA and I'm now going to put it together, hopefully with your help. Well, that's the unboxing done. Now I better take a quick look through the instructions.
Oops, I'm supposed to do this with 2 people.
Here's the box of hardware. Hopefully everything's here. $42. Time for the hammer. The holes line up with the pegs, and we fit 3 dividers in and then a lower shelf. That was easy. First row done. Well, that wasn't so bad, only took about an hour to build that. Much tidier in here now as well. So I hope you found that useful, especially if you're looking to buy one or build one yourself, and I'll see you next time.